How to send friend suggestion on Facebook. So if you want to send friend suggestion of someone to your friend, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore to various feeds over here. So the first step, you have to tap over your 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and here you'll be able to see the find friends option. Simply go for that, and all of the friends that has been suggested on your Facebook will be available. They are listed as people you may know. Just tap to select and open up the profile of the person whom you want to suggest, and just tap over the 3 dot right next to add friend at the right hand side, and here is the copy link option. Just tap over the copy link, and after doing that you just have to go back and you have to open up the messenger, and you just can tap over the conversation, and you can tap over the send message, and here you have to paste the link of the person, and after sending you can see the person profile has been sent, which means you are able to send friend suggestion on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.